Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how you can use Mini App Store on Telegram. First, open your Telegram app and tap on the search box at the top. You see some tabs, including apps. Tap on the Apps tab to view the apps you use and trending apps. Next, select any mini app you're interested in. Once you tap on it, you'll see a button that says Open App. Tap that, and the mini app will open directly within Telegram. You can now play and use this app right inside Telegram. And there you have it. You have successfully used Telegram Mini App Store. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.